restoration of the tool is finally is done, and I'm happy with the end result. This is the original paint. I have left this Boley logo in original, not overpaint. It's cool. That's the bottom part. Here painted. This is the original paint, and it's similar to the paint that I have applied. And this is the box. New nails I have used here and here. And the Boley logo, it's refinished, and it's a light glossy finish. 4 layers of varnish. It's a vintage charm that keeps the vintage charm. I don't have many material removed. All the punches are cleaned, and yeah, some punches are loosened. I must order new ones. The hinges are polished. These hinge has no function. I have repaired. These tile I have polished. Oh. Now, thank you for watching. I hope the videos are not too long for you, and please leave comments and give like, and for new users I will happy when you subscribe my channel. See you on next video.